Welcome back to Pat Max Adventures, and get ready for the most interesting and fascinating tour of an Airbnb I have ever stayed in here in Jaco, Costa Rica. The gate here is the entrance to the Airbnb, and just a 2-minute walk away is the beach, guys. Right down there is Playa de Jaco Beach. The Airbnb is literally a 2-minute walk. One thing I really love about this Airbnb is the security. There's this huge gate up front that has a padlock. We all get a key, so we need to unlock the padlock, walk in, and then relock it once we enter. There we go, guys. Welcome to my Airbnb here in Jaco, Costa Rica. By this time, you guys can probably guess, yes, I am staying in a container. There are a total of 6 containers here at this Airbnb that the host took and constructed himself. Some of the containers are built on top of each other. They all have running water, electricity, Wi-Fi. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the outside of the other containers, and then I will take you guys into my container and give you a detailed tour of what these container apartments right next to the beach look like. Right to the left here is a shower. This is great since we're right by the beach. Just come over here, I can turn it on. There we go. And you can wash off your feet after a swim in the ocean. Here is the parking area. It's a pretty large area. I believe the host had told me about 5 cars can fit here, and straight ahead are the containers. There is one container up here. As you can see, it has a balcony. Another one below it. There's this blue one right here, one straight ahead, and then there's another one in the back. This is the open communal area. There's a few chairs, table, hammock, and check out this painting, guys. This painting is beautiful, and you'll see these murals throughout this Airbnb. I love it. Another table here, a few more chairs, bicycle. He's got a few plaques here and pictures on the wall. Here's a map of the country of Costa Rica. And straight ahead, guys, that is my container, which I will take you guys in later in the video and give you a detailed tour of my accommodation. I've got a nice little table and chair out here. The other chair is inside. I use it while I'm teaching. There's a trash can right over there. And then here's a view of this container. This is called the African container. Every container has a continental theme. So this one has an African theme on the inside, and my container is actually called the Americas container. So it has themes from North America, Central America, and South America. Right now, I believe it's just me and 2 other people who have left. There is a cleaning lady. Her name is Carolina. She's super friendly. I've been practicing my Spanish with her, so we may see her as we go around the units here. At the base of the stairs, you can see there is a fire extinguisher. That's always good. That is my bed right there. There's a trash can out here as well. I really love this container right here. This is called the Africa container. It has an African theme inside. So going up the stairs, big world map. So you can just put a pin in from where you're from. So these must be from all the locations of where people came from when they came to stay here. Up here is one of the larger containers. This container actually has 2 rooms, I believe, and can fit up to 5 people. So one of the rooms is here. There's a hallway there, and then 2 other rooms down that way. Then there's a walkway right here. And now we're on the 2nd floor. Over here is another unit. There's a balcony right at the end of this container. This is the main opening door to this container, and this is looking in. So you've got the orange one to this side, this blue one. This blue one, I believe, is one of the biggest ones, if not the biggest one here. I love this. You've got the backpackers right there. You've got a plane above them. Beautiful. Wow, this unit is beautiful. There's a girl currently staying up here from Britain. You can see her container is about the same size as mine, so the bedroom is right there. This is the main entrance. She's got a little kitchenette area out here, fridge, and this huge patio area to lie out, tan, and you can also almost see the water from over here. This is the rooftop of the container just below us. There's also another little seating area here, along with the benches on that side. You've got a nice view of the street out here. Little truck going by. Across the street is a Thai restaurant. Very, very expensive, but it's really, really good. One thing I will get to is the price. And no, all of these containers are not the same price. Every container is a different price. I believe mine is probably the cheapest. The one above that I just showed you guys, and this large one with the 3 bedrooms. These two, the one up here and the one right here, are the most expensive. Here we go. So this is my container, Wanderlust, a strong desire for impulse to wander or travel. So you see Rio de Janeiro, Alaska, Greenland. This is the Americas container. So I will take you guys straight into the kitchen. This is my kitchen. I've got a hot plate here, microwave. There was already non-stick spray that was already here. There's coffee here. There's a coffee maker. I'm not a coffee drinker, but if you are, it's already here. You've got soap that's already here. Dishes. I cook in here every day. Over here is the refrigerator. I've got it pretty much packed full for my food for the week. I've got to get some more water here. Here's some more pictures. Peru, Bolivia, Chile. Here's a picture map of Central America. And then down here, I've got a trash can. In here is all the silverware that you would need. Scissors, grinder, knives, forks, bottle opener. There's a towel here in the kitchen. Lots of space under the sink. There's also some more pots and pans in these shelves. So my bedroom is straight ahead and the bathroom is to the right. This is the way I came in, so you guys can see this is looking out into the communal area, into the Africa unit, and then in the driveway. So here is the bathroom. This bathroom is actually larger than the bathroom I had staying in the condominium in Manila, Philippines, where I just came from. So I've got the toilet here, nice big shower. Got the shower heater up there, my towel. It's a little dirty, I just took a shower. Nice little sink here. I don't need a lot of space. I just put my essential things for the bathroom here. Toothbrush, toothpaste, my razor. I put my brush up there. Little mirror here. There's a full-length mirror right across from the bathroom. I've got my shoes down there. And then here is my bedroom, guys. So this is a double bed. It's pretty comfortable. I've got a window here. Also comes with curtains, so I can always have privacy. This is looking out into the communal area, and then right across is the Africa unit, or the Africa container. Some more pictures over here. There's a sea lion. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. I love that quote. I love that there is also this kind of like storage shelf here. So I hung my collared shirt here. I've got my computer and my bag up here. Visit Cuba, Mexico. Then here is a huge shelf, which you can see I have made really good use of. At the top, there's an extra towel, an extra sheet. Oh, here's some money. Yeah, oh, if you're curious, this is what Costa Rican money looks like. Oh, this one's got a shark. Banco Central de Costa Rica. So 2 million colones is about, oh my gosh, it's about $3 roughly. So I've got some more camera equipment here. This is the remote controls to the TV, which is right here. Comes with Netflix. The cable is really strong here. I tried Netflix the other day, no interruptions. Here's my toiletry bag. I've got some of my clothes down here. This is my iPad for work. I've got some more clothes on the bottom here. And yes, guys, it is a mess of wires here. This is part of the life of a digital nomad. Here is my circle light, my beauty light. This is my stand that I use for teaching. I've set up my teaching on the wall. I made sure very carefully to put these on the wall so I don't make any marks. So my feet are right there, and then going up is the TV. Straight ahead is Palfish, where I'm teaching, the hallway, the door, the window. Now for the big question that I know everyone is wondering, how much did I pay for this Airbnb container apartment style living space here in Jaco, Costa Rica, 2 minutes from the beach, by the way, guys. So the total cost, everything included, water, electricity, Wi-Fi, which by the way, the Wi-Fi has been very strong here and I rely on that for work. So that's been amazing here. The whole kitchen, parking, the keys, everything came out to $900 US. I know a lot of people are going to be like, whoa, that's a lot of money. Yes, it is a lot of money, and it's double the price of what I was just paying in Manila, Philippines. For that condominium in Manila, Philippines, I was paying $560 US. So I've definitely gone up with my budget. Costa Rica is not a cheap country. In some ways, Costa Rica is cheap, but when it comes to food and accommodations, more on the food side, it's a lot more similar to the US. You can find places that are less than $900 here in Jaco, but Jaco here in Costa Rica is a really touristy, popular area, and I'm here in February 2021. December, January, February, these are the highest months for tourism in the country, so the prices are going to be high. I can afford this. I'm working full-time, so I was willing to pay $900 to be 2 minutes away from a beach. The security here is really good. I love that there are several units here, so I've been able to meet people. Some people have stayed for a week, some people have been here for just a few nights. I'm staying here for a total of 3 weeks. I have 1 more week here, and then I'll be moving on to my next destination here in Costa Rica. Overall, I feel like I made a great deal for myself. The kitchen has been great. I cook all my meals here during the week. That's one way how I save money, and just to keep myself a bit more healthy. But yeah, I mean, it's worked out really well. I hope that this video was interesting to you guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. It's a really cool experience. I have never thought about staying in a container, and I just saw this posted on Airbnb, talked to the host. Great references. I highly suggest checking this place out if you're looking for a unique Airbnb here in Jaco, Costa Rica. You're right on the beach. You cannot miss these units with the orange and the blue paint. Jaco is a small town, so walking down the streets you will see these Airbnbs and these containers here. Thanks again for watching, guys, and remember to live every moment to the max. I'll see you guys next time.